Welcome to Haymar's product spotlight today. We're looking at the amazing Klauke EKW120ML. So this tool is a dialless tool, which is absolutely fantastic for the industry. So you don't have one of those issues where you need a die set, it's on 6 to 12 weeks or even more. You need the job done overnight on a Friday afternoon for Monday delivery. Well, this is a tool for you. So this is between 10 and 40 kilonewton meters in poundage, and it goes from 6 to 120 mil. It can crimp between 1 and 5 seconds, depending obviously on the crimp you are after. So what we're going to do now is have a close-up of the actual tool. As one of the fastest growing distributors in the UK for Klauke, we hold this in stock, as well as all the lugs and assembly add-ons onto this.